Today we are going to show you how to keep your Flutter projects running smoothly by ensuring you are always using the latest SDK. Welcome back to our channel Code Climbers. Imagine you're building a Flutter project and you need to add some dependencies to your Pubspec file. For instance, let's say we need to use the local authentication package. We head over to the package documentation, grab the latest version, localauth 2.2.0, and add it to our dependencies. But wait, when we try to resolve this dependency using the pubget function, we hit an error saying this dependency requires a higher SDK version. Frustrating, right? Now, in such cases, it's tempting to randomly try lower versions of the dependency unless we find the one that works. We might start with the version 2.1.9, get an error, try again with 2.1.0, and finally stumble upon a version that works without errors. However, using older versions can leave your project vulnerable to security risks and bugs. So, what's the best way to handle this? Simple. Update your Flutter SDK. In Android Studio, go to the Tools menu, select Flutter, and then click on the Flutter Upgrade. It's that easy. This process will download all the necessary SDK dependencies, which took me about just 5 minutes. While it downloads the dependencies, if you're finding this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Once the download is complete, Flutter runs a diagnostic check known as the Flutter Doctor. In our case, we see all except one dependency related to the Chrome executable were resolved. If you really want to fix this Chrome issue, we have already covered it in a separate video. Just check the I button above. Now for this project, with our Flutter SDK updated, we launch our app without any issues. To double check that everything is perfect, you can rerun the Flutter upgrade command and it will confirm you that Flutter SDK is already up to date. And that's it. Your Flutter project is now ready to go with the latest dependencies. Before you go, here's a sneak peek into our next video. We'll be diving into local authentication using fingerprints. So make sure to subscribe to Code Climbers and to stay up to date.